Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how Robinhood aids in investment decision-making. Robinhood provides a suite of features designed to help you navigate the financial markets. While it doesn't offer direct predictions, it equips you with valuable data and insights. This allows you to conduct your own research and form your own outlook on various assets. We'll explore how these tools can support your investment journey, helping you make more informed choices for your financial future. One key way Robinhood assists is by providing access to analyst ratings and price targets. You can see what dozens of financial experts predict for a stock's value over the next 12 months. Additionally, the platform features a robust newsfeed, pulling in articles from numerous trusted financial sources. This keeps you informed about company-specific news, broader economic trends, and global events that could impact your investments, all within the app. Robinhood also showcases lists of popular stocks, indicating what other users are actively buying and holding. While this isn't a direct prediction, it can reflect current market sentiment and highlight assets gaining widespread attention. Understanding these community trends can be a useful data point, showing you what's currently in focus for a large number of individual investors. It's about seeing the collective interest, which can sometimes signal momentum. Remember, while Robinhood provides many helpful tools, the ultimate investment decisions and predictions are yours. The platform offers extensive educational resources, including articles and guides, to help you understand market fundamentals and strategies. It even has specific prediction markets for certain event outcomes, separate from general stock trading. By combining these resources with your own research, you can strive to make well-informed choices and manage your investment risks effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.